Today, I want to talk about a knife that has been in my pocket constantly, the CJRB Anansi. It's quickly become my go-to EDC choice, not as my primary workhorse, but as the perfect complementary knife for daily carry. First off, let's talk about the size. This thing is tiny. We're looking at a 1.6-inch blade, which makes it super discreet and legal in almost anywhere. What I love for everyday carry is the clever design. It has a Carabiner feature built into the handle, making it incredibly easy to clip on a belt, loop, or pack. The blade steel is AR RPM 9, which is CJRB's proprietary blend. It holds a great edge, and after tasting it for several months, I found it to be surprisingly tough. It's ideal for all your light tasks. Think opening packages, cutting strings, or general utility. This is the knife you grab for a quick, simple cuts when you don't want to pull out your larger blade. So, if you're looking for an ultra-compact capable EDC knife that acts as a perfect, easy-to-carry backup or complementary blade for light tasks, the CJRB Anansi is definitely worth checking out. It's small, functional, and the Carabiner carry is awesome.